How to get App Store back on iPhone. So first thing, you cannot delete App Store even if you want to, as you guys can see. So basically it only allows you to remove it, but once you try to remove it, it's not going to be removed because Apple doesn't allow you to do that. But let's say like it has gone missing. In that case, you can just swipe to the right until you see this option called App Library at the top. Click on it and write App Store and it'll appear over here. And if it still doesn't appear over here, update your iPhone. Sometimes a bug causes the problem, so updating your iPhone fixes the issue. And if that also doesn't fixes it, the next thing you can do is click on settings and over here scroll down until you see the option called screen time. Click on it. Inside here, scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions. Inside here, you want to click on iTunes and App Store purchases. And over here, click on where it says always require. And over here, installing apps, click on it and click on allow. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed. These are the steps you can follow to restore your missing App Store on iPhone. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.